Hi, I'm at the Gidgee Inn. This is in Cloncurry in Queensland. This is a great little outback town here, and this inn has got some great rooms suitable for anyone, as well as air conditioning, and they've got a fridge in the room, so really nice spacious rooms, and a very different style as well with the how they've built the place with the walls and everything. It's very nice to see. The place here has got a pool as well as your laundry, so all your facilities you need, as well as a bar is always helpful, and a great restaurant as well. The restaurant has some great meals here, and it definitely wouldn't be a mistake to have the steak. It was brilliant here. And so definitely come to the restaurant if you're staying here. As well, they also do a buffet breakfast in the morning, so excellent to see. And other than that, I really enjoyed my stay. Great rooms, great service, great staff. So come here if you're in Cloncurry.